Let's see how to turn off black and white screen on iPhone 15. Here. Out there, get appreciate me, those directly, being going to hear, they are all do that. Maybe say that I all right, I can't do the street that and bring it, you know, I'm feeling good. Oh, you're